There are learners who are supported by SASA, some of them are in no-fee schools. So what we would like to do as a department is to trace our beneficiaries so that towards the end, we know where our beneficiaries are. When they do their matric, we want to know how many of them passed, but also we want to know even the ones who did not pass, because we want to see how we can be able to help them. But we also want to make sure that those who pass properly and are supposed to go to Technicon or university, they easily get the NSFAS sponsorship and they continue. More importantly, we are looking at working with principals like yourself to say, trace the learners for us so that their well-being is taken care of, because they are different from other children who are coming from mother, father, family, full family. And we would also want to make sure that social workers are allocated to having conversations with them. In fact, we've got a problem of social workers being employed. And as a Department of Social Development, we're creatively looking at how can we get the social workers to be employed. And social workers are not just supposed to be employed by Department of Social Development. They are supposed to be employed by even education. Because la eskoleni sakho, it should be possible ukuthi kube na one or two social workers. In fact, because I don't think this is a troubled school. The children that come from this area are children who are not the same as the ones who are coming from in the townships where there is no family structure. So we are very thankful that you gave us the opportunity to be with you today, and we will make sure that the Department of Social Development at local and at provincial level, they work together with the Department of Social Development and Education to make sure that the learners that I'm talking about are learners that are helped to take each step until they exit the school.